This is what archaeology actually looks like. Not this, this.
We're screening all of our dirt to see if we can find, some buttons maybe, or discarded sherds of pottery or, glass. And we have very little right now.
Despite the meager offerings, this dig site in Fayetteville, North Carolina is unique. Archaeologists are showing school teachers and students how to conduct field work.
What we're doing is using this as a teaching opportunity to show how to bring archaeology into the classroom.
The spot where the crew is digging used to be a Confederate arsenal and a major supplier of weapons and ammunition to the Confederate Army.
It was a huge building anchored by 4 big towers. Most everybody who lived here, black and white, even children, worked in the arsenal. And that was the reason that Sherman came this way, was to destroy this arsenal.
In 1865, Union troops destroyed the arsenal completely over 3 days. What's left are the building foundations, a reminder of a painful past. Digging up the past is a first step in transforming these ruins into a Civil War learning center and museum. The Learning Center will feature stories from North Carolinians from all sides of the war. Historian Mary Lynn Bryant says she hopes the center will help North Carolina heal from the past.
You can't avoid history. All I can do is explore it, learn from it, and maybe have an easier time of living in today because I understand how today got started.
And the learning starts now as archaeologists teach students and teachers the basics of discovering the past.
So we're going to lay out a 3 by 6 foot unit.
Measuring, digging, filtering, and mapping what they find.
You use math for everything. In the classroom, you get tired of kids saying, well, we don't need math. Why am I going to need math? Out here this week, they have done tons of math.
Archaeologists don't expect to find anything different than what historians already knew about the arsenal. But the workday gives teachers and students a chance to get dirty and understand what archaeology actually looks like.
I'm here basically to see how I can take my classroom outside. You know, there are kids that they don't like being behind 4 walls all day, but there are other careers out there. But it's been a great experience. I go home every day dirty.